Hello, my name is Dr. Scott, proud principal of Broadway Academy at Mount Pleasant, the Mount Pleasant campus, also known as BAMP. We are one school serving two locations, located at 3845 East 131st Street here in Cleveland, Ohio, the 44120. I want to personally thank you for stopping by our table to learn more about our school at this past event. Please take an opportunity to visit our website at broadwayatmp.org. That's broadwayatmp.org to complete your online application. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call us here at the school, 216-750-1202. As your new principal, I promise to treat your child with love, dignity, honor, and respect. We're excited to welcome you to the home of the stars, where we shine bright and we fly high. Have a great day and welcome home.